Today's setup is a little bit more casual than usual. I'm going to show you what's in my new work bag. This is just me in my bedroom instead of being in the living room. It's now fall, winter, it's time to get back to work for a lot of us. And for me, having a chic work bag is so important. I go to a lot of meetings, events, etc., daytime, nighttime, and I want a bag that is cute. I'll say comfortable, yes, of course, but one that can carry a lot of things that I'll need throughout the day. And when you don't have an assistant or someone to help you with things, you want to be able to have a bag that has all of that in there, but still looks really chic. And here is the bag in question, this black leather shoulder bag, super gorgeous. One thing that caught my eye about this bag is the detail on the straps. The straps have like this little detail at the end. It looks like two little knots or balls. I thought that was really cool and made it quite chic and elevated instead of just having an ordinary strap. And then of course, I love when handbags have this little snap connection at the top to keep the two straps together. Of course, when I'm opening my bag, I undo it and then I look through whatever. And I love being able to keep the straps closer to each other so that one doesn't hang over the chair while the other one is still on there or get caught in something else. We love a double zip, of course, as well. It's the best thing ever, especially when you live in a city like London. For me, I like to know that I can just pull the zip to the front either way, and I don't have to worry about potentially getting robbed. We do live in a pickpocket city, unfortunately. But anyway, let me show you what's inside. Right, first and foremost, you can't go wrong with a hairbrush, so necessary when you're out and about. Then I have this little Chanel zip bag. This is where I tend to put my makeup inside, any makeup gum, because I don't want it rolling around the main bag, of course. And I just want to prevent any liquid or whatever from leaking out. And I'll show you what's inside now at the moment, but it varies. I'll have a compact mirror like this Chanel one, which has a magnifying glass side and a normal glass side. So important when you're touching up, checking your face, etc. And then in terms of foundation, I love carrying it around a concealer actually. This MAC Studio Radiance concealer is in the shade NC55. It's a shade that matches my skin tone, so sometimes I will just take a concealer instead. It's small and compact. And then I usually have a mini makeup brush or any makeup brush that fits into that pouch is what I'll take with me, apply the concealer for a touch up, and then I'm good to go. Sometimes if I am going to have an event in the evening and there'll be photos taken, I do have a mini Laura Mercier setting powder that I take with me, but in this case, daytime, it doesn't really matter. And then the last item inside this little pouch is the Orabella Window to Soul spray. This is the mini travel one. I love these. They are alcohol free, of course, and it's perfect because sometimes you don't want to overwhelm people with your perfume. So this is a great fragrance to have, but I mean, any mini perfume can go in here and that just works perfectly. And there's still tons of space to put even more stuff. So you can literally have your mini makeup kit on the go for the entire day and it fits inside the handbag. I then have one of my favorite sunglasses. These are from Gentle Monster. I bought them last year in Korea. I love these sort of slimline cat eye style. They're my go-to. I don't have to put them in a case because they're quite sturdy and I've never had any issues because the case itself would take up a bit more space, but you can buy any sunglass cover bag on Amazon and that'll be perfectly fine. Next, of course, is my wallet. I've got this Prada wallet. I forgot to mention earlier on that what I love about the bag inside is it has an inner zip pocket. That's where I usually put my wallet, keep it separate but secure. And on the other side, there's like a little slot where you could put, if you were traveling, your hotel room card key or maybe your Oyster card, any sort of little card, or I mean even your house keys as well. That's where I'd probably tuck them in, but I do love to keep them zipped up in the other pocket with my wallet. Now let's head into the tech department. Can't go anywhere without my Beats earphones. These are the ones that are noise cancelling. I used to have the Apple ones before, but now I have these, so these also fit into the bag. My go-to portable charger, I got this on Amazon. It's got multiple sockets, USB-C, USB input output. You can charge multiple devices and charge it at the same time. So I highly recommend this, and I got it in blue only because I've got so many things in black that I just needed to be able to find it and spot it right away. Then I have this Manfrotto mini tripod that swivels. It's quite sturdy and it's perfect for carrying your bigger size cameras. This is something I'll probably place on a table. Maybe I've gone to a brand event or dinner and I want to film something. I've got the Sony a7C that I'm filming on right now, but I'll show you the other camera that fits inside this bag that I've been using in the past few days that would work perfectly on this tripod. And yeah, I would always say, if you can, whether it's those iPhone tripods that people carry around, those are useful as well. But if you have any size camera, I mean, I guess up to a certain extent, this Manfrotto one does the job. Speaking of large camera, here you have a Leica Q3. I love this camera so much. It's the 28mm lens. This is an amazing camera for taking photos. It does do video. I have filmed some stuff with the Leica, but it's, as we all know, it's mainly more so for photos. Big enough to fit in this bag with everything that I've shown you so far. So any camera roughly this size, more or less, and depending on the size of the lens, will fit in this bag, so which is perfect when I go to events, etc., and I need to take content on the go, shoot my outfit photos. This camera fits in here. And then last but not least, another camera. This is a film camera. I am really into shooting film, although it takes me ages to develop it, and I'm trying to finish this reel before my next upcoming trip because I want to start on a clean slate. But film camera is so amazing. Of course, it opens like that, and it has a flash as well. And yeah, basically, this is another thing that I could opt to carry with me. Or maybe you do have a secondary vlogging camera, like everyone has a Canon G7X that they want to vlog with as well. There's plenty of space in this bag to fit that. And when I put everything in, I could still squeeze in space for, I don't know, maybe a sandwich or something in there. So it's quite a nice, spacious bag. So there you have it. This is what's in my bag. This bag does come in another color, like a light brown color. I will pop a link down below for you guys to shop the bag. It's very affordable. That's the other bonus. Fits a lot in, perfect for a work bag. And yeah, for those of you that are probably not in the creative scene like I am, maybe in a more corporate setting, it's still a nice enough bag for you guys to take with after work, for after work drinks or for dinner or whatever. It's really chic, and yeah, I'm loving it. And let me know if you guys want to see more what's in my bag with different bags. But for now, this is the first of many videos.